Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, a brand new startup wants to take over your social media scrolling so you never have to do it again. I'm Emily, your but who's watching the AI that's watching your feed person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast and someone who has lost entire evenings to doomscrolling. I need this service. I need it yesterday.
You are their entire target market. So meet Noscroll, a brand new AI-powered bot that browses your social feeds, news sites, blogs, Substack, research papers, and more, then simply texts you when something worth knowing actually happens. Their tagline? No feed, no brain rot, just signal.
I love that so much, because that's exactly the problem. Social media is genuinely useful for staying informed, but you have to wade through so much noise to find anything worth reading. Noscroll just skips straight to the good stuff.
The founder literally built this because he was in a love-hate relationship with X. He described scrolling it like eating fast food. Phenomenally entertaining in the moment, but you just feel terrible after. So he built a bot to get the nutrition without the junk food.
And it's genuinely simple to use. You just text the Noscroll AI agent directly, connect your X account, tell it what topics you care about, and it starts sending you personalized news digests via text at whatever frequency you want. Weekly for casual users, multiple times a day for news junkies.
And here's where the privacy nerd in me wakes up, because to work, Noscroll accesses your likes, bookmarks, and who you follow on X. That's a meaningful slice of your digital personality handed to a two-person startup that launched just days ago.
Fair concern, but the upside is real. Journalists are using it to track local politics, professionals are monitoring job listings and layoff news, people are following niche anime industry updates and restaurant openings in Kyoto. The use cases are surprisingly wide.
And the AI learns over time, getting smarter about what you specifically care about. It even texts you immediately for breaking news. At $9.99 a month with a free 7-day trial, it's worth at least testing before handing over your scrolling habits permanently.
The internet isn't going to slow down, so having a smart deputy who reads it for you, that's not lazy, that's efficient.
I'll allow that reframe. Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight. Doomscrolling may finally have met its match, one text digest at a time.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. And maybe, just maybe, put the phone down tonight and let the AI scroll for you. Thanks so much for listening. See you on the next Spotlight.